getting started, what we're looking at, what's running this morning. SEV just did a move, and you got CYN that's also running. So we'll keep an eye on those two at the open. So we'll keep an eye out and go through our watch list for the day. My daily watch list, and there's not much running in it. We still got 15 minutes to go. Breaking news can happen between now and then, and then we'll. SEV is a continuation from yesterday, so we'll just keep an eye on it. It's hard to borrow, so I wouldn't be surprised if a nice short squeeze comes in, and go from there. I'm gonna pause it right here, guys, and at the open, or if I'm gonna take a trade, I'll start it again. All right, we got 30 seconds to open. We're watching CYN, and I'm gonna take a look at one of my old airline stocks. American Airline is trending, and it's been trending upward the whole morning on the scanner. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. So we're we got a pre-market high at 211. I'm watching here for the pullback. Let's see what AEL. The AO is trending downward. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna pause this right here, right quick. I got a phone call. Okay, so I'm in blue, right now, JetBlue, and I got in at 94, and I'm trying to take a small piece. So I'm still watching here for the pullback was down here at 85. If we're breaking 89, which is where we're at right now on the, okay, here's 94. We should be breaking 97, and here's 96, here's 98. We're having a tough time breaking 98. So because of that, I'm gonna look at the stock short. Okay, so okay, Boeing has always been a leader in the airline space. Got a VWAP bounce. I'm watching this for a short. I'm gonna let it pull back, and if we're gonna break VWAP, Last time we came down to VWAP, we got a bounce. So so I'm gonna watch it here for a bounce, and if it won't break buying pressure is decreasing, that's for sure. Okay, here's the VWAP bounce. There it is. Now, could this be a I'm in at 83. I'm giving it 87. Come on, there we go. We might have a reverse. Yep, we got a reverse. Okay. So we're gonna keep watching here. We're gonna take one more crack at it at a double top. We're gonna let it pull back. $14.01. we're still watching for that break, because we got here's 98. There we go. Here's 94. At 90, I will take a quarter out. Here's 89. Good, good. Now I'm looking for the VWAP break, which is 88 right now. Actually 86, 87. So I covered. And now I'm looking for the next break now. I'm looking for that next spike. We got one spike here. We got two spikes. There's gonna be a third one, and if it's not breaking the higher than the second spike, that's where, see, VWAP is really weak right now. I'm gonna pause it here, guys, till something start happening. All right, guys. So I got in NIO short, and on the first short I got into, it reversed. So on the way down, I added to the position, and I sold it. Down, I sold a piece of it on the way down. I added again at 03, then sold a piece of it on the way down, bring my average down to 06, and I just cut the rest of the of it. So with Tesla flushing, NIO's also gonna follow. So I'm watching it right now, but you know, as you know, this is a highly frequency traded stock, so I'm looking for that flush, that real flush, and when that happens, then I'll be right there. So we kind of bounced back a little bit. I think it plays into me being patient, and we're gonna keep, watching this to see what's going on. So I'll pause it right here and then start it again once I took another. Hey guys, this is a late recap. Excuse the dryer behind me making all that noise. Anyway, so I want to go over what the heck I did today. It was crazy. So up here, and I still have 1,100 shares in CYN. I'm gonna hold it for tomorrow. So let's go over here where right here I think just a little bit right. Okay, so I went long. Did I go long first or short first? Let me see. 500 short, 1120. Okay. I don't know, but this is like immediate. Oh wait, okay, there it is. It's right here. So I went short and covered for a loss here, and because they was approaching, this thing was spiking up, so I didn't take profit here or here. I was looking for the flush of the day. After the 1, 2, 3, after the third push, I was expecting it to drop back down, but it never did. It spiked back up, so I got out for a loss here. Then I went short. I re-shorted it, and same thing happened. This happened to me 3 times today. It came down to 83 from 94. I don't take profit, came back, dropped down again to 80. I didn't take profit, went right back up, and then I had to leave for a while, so it came up and took a big flush all the way down to 65, which I saw that, and unfortunately I can't trade on DOS unless I'm on my computer. I can't do it on the phone like Weibo or something else like that. So I saw it, but I couldn't do anything about it. So I'm like, you know what? It's gonna hold, and it's gonna continue flushing, and that's gonna be it for it. So I came back. Man, I looked. I was up here. It was at 215. I panicked. Jump on my computer, getting ready to sell. Cover for a loss, a big loss. And next thing I know, this big flush came through, and then I'm again in the green, all the way down to 86, and I was at 99. And I don't know why I keep doing this, and I'm not taking my profits. And again, I averaged up. It spiked right back up, came back down. Don't take profit. Spike up, it's just up and down the whole time, and I held it through this. This was miserable. I'll tell you that right now. I even added 100 shares to this. That's how miserable it was. So, but I knew it was. This is here manipulation of people going short. Probably somebody went short here thinking it was going to fall down, which it was going to, but then the algos just spike it back up to kick them out the trades, and as soon as they got out, it comes right back down to where it was trending. So it is trending straight across. I'm gonna hold it for tomorrow, but tomorrow early morning I'm gonna have to get up early to get right back at it, and make sure I keep my account under control, because I'm not gonna let this thing just do what it wants. because at one point this was at 230 when it was all the way up here, but I wasn't gonna. I knew what was happening because it happens to me before. These kind of things comes with experience, and I've seen it before, so I didn't really worry about it. So tomorrow morning I'm gonna be looking for that flush, and if we don't get the flush early morning, then I'll be out of it. But there is a lot of I've been following a lot of traders on Weibo talking about this stock, and they have a lot of hopes for this thing to keep going up, but I don't. So we'll see which way it goes tomorrow. I'm not married to the stock. I'm simply wanting it to go my way, and my way is below. This is the level I'm looking for here. I'm looking for that gap fill right here. Once this stock hit this, once it breaks 163, which is what it almost did over here. Let me just do a 5 minute, which is what it almost did right. See, it came at 165 and didn't break it. If it breaks 63, then it will be end of the world for this stock. So I'm looking for that gap fill, and at that gap fill, then 127, then it should go back to where it trades. But yet again, we're not living in the perfect world. It could just as well go right back up. So I'm still holding 1,100 shares. So we'll see what we get in the morning, and trade this stock and get it out my rap sheet. So you guys, I hope you had a great day today. There was a lot of momentum. The whole market was green at the beginning of the day, and by the end of the day, everything was red. So UVXY gained a nice straight and steady trend, as the SPY was doing the opposite. So this is where I should have put my money today in VXY, but I didn't. Can't regret that. It's already happened. Let it go, and we'll do the same thing again tomorrow. We're trying to do better tomorrow. That's what we can do. All right, you guys have a good evening, and I hope you enjoy your day, and see you guys in the morning. Thank you guys so much for watching today. As always, make sure you trade at your own risk. Make sure that you are willing to lose what you trade, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.